Hello everyone, you're welcome to this. I'm super excited to have you guys here right now. My name is Timothy Opera, aka Team Legend, and I'm the CEO and founder of TL Online Creativity. That is Team Legend Online Creativity. I'm a digital marketer, an influencer, I'm a blogger, a web designer, I'm a skill coach, and I'm a forex trader. I teach people things that enable them make wealth online, and that's what I want to expose to you guys on this. All right, I want to make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out any single thing, and try to stay to the end of this video because you're going to enjoy what I'm going to share with you by the end of this video. But I want to ask you this simple question: does it mean that if you do not have a certificate you cannot make money in this world? Do you really think that if you do not have a certificate, like if you're not a graduate, it means you cannot live your dream life? Are you trying to tell me that if you do not have a certificate, you cannot travel abroad, travel anywhere you want, be free? Wait, I want to ask one more question. Does it really mean that if you don't have a certificate, you cannot live as comfortable as you want on your own, working under nobody but you just yourself, and even having your own workers by your own for your own self? Come on, it is possible. You can live as comfortable as you want to live even without a certificate. Now you can see what I believe you can see what you're seeing on the screen right now, regardless of certificate. This is a simple training which is coming up soon, and I want to teach a lot of people. I want to teach at least 2,000 or 3,000 people how to make money online, even without you having a certificate, without you even having knowledge of any of these things. I want to show you guys ways to make money online. I want to expose your mind to so many things that have been hidden to you. I want to expose your mind to so many things that people have not told you. I want to show you guys exactly the ways to make money online, even without having a certificate. It is not all about a certificate. It's not all about being a graduate. Oh, Esther is now a graduate. I'm not a graduate. Oh man, so she's gonna be richer than me. It's lie. A lot of people have gone to school and came out with first-class degree and still are beggars. A lot of people are still vulcanizers. Some of them are wheelbarrow pushers. Some of them are shoemakers. And some people who didn't even go to school, who didn't even finish their secondary school, are busy hitting money every single day. And you're like wondering, how is this happening? But don't get it twisted. That doesn't mean if you're not a graduate that you can also make money. Did you get me? Look, it's not all about Yahoo. Forget Yahoo. I don't even have time for those ones. I'm talking about real clean money. And do you know what it is to you know what you understand what it is for you to be able to stand confidently in front of public and tell them, this is what I do to make money? That is what I'm talking about. I want to teach you how to make money that you can confidently stand in front of people and tell them, this is how I make my money. Not those kind of money that you keep hiding yourself, you keep hiding your business or your job. You don't want anybody to know what you're doing, how you make your money, because you feel like, man, if I tell them this is how I make money, I'm gonna get arrested because it's a scam. No, I want to show you real ways to make money online. It is tested and it is 100% sure that if you follow my strategies, if you follow everything that I'm going to show you guys on this upcoming training, you too will be making millions like I do every single day. Okay, let me not get it too harsh. Not every day you're gonna make millions, okay? But it's certain that you will be making your millions at least every year. You should be hitting millions without you being a graduate, or whether you're a graduate or not. I want to show you guys proven ways. I want to open your eyes to so many things that you have not known. You can make this money. There are millions and billions of people out there who are ready to pay you. There are millions and billions of people out there who are ready to get something from you, something you have to offer, something you have to give, something you don't even have to struggle to get, but you get it with ease and you give it out and you make your wealth. That is what I want to show you guys. So this training is coming up on the 7th of September. This training is going to go live on the 7th of September. It's going to be a live streaming on YouTube. where I'm going to be teaching you guys directly. And as I'm teaching you, you are going to have access on the comment box to be asking your questions, and I'll be giving you response. As you're asking your question, I'll be giving you response. It's going to be a live streaming, and I don't want any of you to miss this, because it's a wealth matter. This is money matter, and I know that nobody jokes with money when it comes to money matters. I don't want you to miss it. So in order for you not to miss this training, you're going to do one simple thing, and that is what? Click the red button below right now and hit that is a subscribe button. Click it and subscribe to my channel right now. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. The bell is very, very, very important. Turn it on so that once this live streaming starts, you will be notified immediately that, hey, team TL Online Creativity has started a live streaming or has started a video. Okay, so hit the subscribe button now. Right now, as I'm talking to you, do not waste time. Hit it now. Turn on the notification bell. Good. If you've done that, congratulations to you, because you're not going to miss it. And even I'm going to try my best to make sure that I notify every single person on WhatsApp. So in order for you to get notifications also on WhatsApp, because I will notify you probably a day before the day, so that you'll be reminded. All right. So in order for you not to miss out at all, make sure you go to my description below and click the link there. That link is going to take you straight to my WhatsApp, where you'll be able to get to my WhatsApp. You save my number and I save your number also on WhatsApp, so that once I send a notification to everybody on WhatsApp, you receive it straight in your inbox that, look, the training is about to start. Okay, so I want you guys to be there. Don't miss out. It's a life changing training. Do not miss out. I want to show you guys strategies. I want to open up to you guys and show you guys the ways to make this money. And I know you're gonna make it too. Between now to this time next year, 2021, I want to see millionaires. I want to see billionaires. I want to see comments. I want to see testimonials of a lot of people appreciating what I have opened their eyes to. That is what I want to dream of. That is what I'm dreaming of, to see students of mine making it even more than I. Okay, so make sure you be there. On the 7th of September is gonna be this training, and I know you might be asking, why is it that long? Why is it all the way from now to 7th of September? Yeah, that's because I'm taking my time to create things. I'm taking my time to arrange this training to make sure it suits everyone. I'm taking my time to create this training to make sure that everyone gets in touch, because I'm advertising it right now. I'm sending it across to make sure that so many people gets it. So between now to the 7th of September, I should be able to get enough people ready for this training. So make sure you be there, and I would love to see you on top. I remain your skill coach, Team Legend. Thank you.